This is Sarah. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
I don't really know what you're drawing, but
I don't want people to hear me.
too much. Yo, I can't eat this thing. It's like so hard. I thought it was gonna be freezing. I never get that.
Okay, Sarah. So, how was today?
It was fun.
Quick announcement, you always see me wear the social animal hats, and for the first time I decided to create a limited edition for you guys. So there'll be two hats, the black one, classic, and the pink one. The pink one is special because on the side it says 100K, meaning that if you get this hat, you're within the first 100,000 subscribers of Social Animal. Those hats are more than hats though, they're very special. If you see someone wear them, you have to go say hi. And if you wear one and someone comes to you, you have to be fucking nice. You're representing Social Animal now. You can get them today at socialanimal.us. Let's get back into the video. Back in New York, today I'm with Sarah.
Yeah, hi guys. My name is Sarah. I'm 20 years old. I'm in school right now for massage therapy. I feel like when I go outside, I have my guard up. Maybe I don't want to bother, or they're like, I don't want to talk right now. I'm like, oh, sorry to bother you. That kind of thing.
Any last word before we start?
Let's get it started. Hi. How you doing? What are you drawing?
I don't know.
Just random things?
Sure.
Do you do that often?
Most of my life, yeah.
Nice. Are you like working on a comic or something? No? That's awesome.
Yeah, it's fun, you know?
Yeah, it is. I love drawing too.
Oh yeah? What do you draw?
I kind of just draw like anatomy because I'm in school right now for massage therapy. So I have to study the muscles, so I try to focus on that a lot.
That's cool, man. How long have you been invested in visual art?
My whole life probably. Would you ever like do a comic or anything?
You know, I've actually been kind of, I've been thinking about it, yeah.
Yeah, honestly you should. I don't really know what you're drawing, but you look like you're doing a good job.
Oh, that's really nice of you.
Yeah. How often do you come here to like draw in the park?
Like every day.
Every day? Yeah, I would do that too, but I live so far.
For sure.
It was
Did
nice.
you come in for the weekend or something? Or?
I'm just meeting a friend today. Yeah. Are you planning on spending your whole day here?
That was my plan, yeah. My plans often do change that way.
Do you paint as well, or you're just drawing?
Yeah, I just started painting.
You ever thought of like doing commissions?
I don't really, I don't know that I want to sell my artwork.
Yeah, I feel the same way, honestly.
I think, you know, I have a problem with the idea of money being involved in something.
That's true. You have to capitalize off of everything, right?
No, it's a mess. I hate that.
It's so unfortunate. Do you play any instruments?
Yep.
Which ones?
I'm a hand percussionist. Primarily,
Nice.
I would say.
I just started learning the drums. I'm trying to get into jazz though. It's a bit difficult.
Well, if that's where you want to go, you should just tread there immediately.
Yeah.
Just do what you like, but don't think like, oh, hey, jazz is ooh, you know.
Yeah, just go for it. I'm gonna head out, but it was nice meeting you.
You as well.
Have a great day.
Enjoy your friend's company.
Yes. It was cool. It wasn't that scary. It wasn't bad. At first, I thought he was gonna like not want to talk because at the beginning he was just like, yeah, like he wasn't, talking. So I was kind of surprised that he actually started to like open up.
I actually picked up at the beginning when you first started talking to him. You were speaking very fast. You were like, "Are you doing?" I don't remember the exact words, but it felt like and he was like, "Yes, no."
Yeah.
To be like,
Slow down.
really slow down, relax, you know.
Yeah. Hi guys. Where'd you get that?
Oh, there's an ice cream shop.
Oh really? I never tried it. They're literally giving out free taquitos over there. Yeah. How's your day going?
Good.
Good? Yeah, good. Just walking around. I'm meeting a friend in a few minutes. Yeah. Are you guys from here? Like originally, right? Or you were born there? Oh, dope.
Yeah, I lived there until I was 19.
Oh wow. What about you? You're from Tokyo? Cool. I mean, I'm Colombian, but I was born here. You guys go to school here? Oh, nice. It's like for massage therapy. Yeah. What are you guys studying? So you want to be like a film creator?
I guess, yeah.
Yeah? I would love to do that. I wanted to do it, but like my mom was like, be for real. I was like, damn, okay. Yo, I can't eat this thing. It's like so hard. It's like not working out. What happened?
have to eat it with your hand.
Yeah, I don't have like a napkin, so what? I don't know. Maybe chicken, I guess? I don't know. Thank you. I'm gonna go, but it was really nice to meet you guys. I love your nails, by the way. Thank you. Have a good day, guys. Good. They're really nice. Yeah, I like talking to the guy more though, because I feel like the girl was kind of just like, you know, when like you talk to someone, you kind of want to turn towards them. She didn't turn towards me though. I kind of wish I had like gotten their Instagram, but I feel like, I don't know, maybe not. I don't know.
I think that you know, I feel like if you have a good chemistry with someone, anyone, you know, you should keep in touch. You never know what's around the corner.
Sorry, is anyone sitting here? No? How's it going? Good? What are you doing, drawing?
Going to, yeah.
Yeah? What are you thinking of drawing?
Sorry?
What are you thinking of drawing?
I don't know yet. Waiting for inspiration.
Gotcha. Do you draw often? Or?
Yeah, I'm in art school right now.
Oh, really? I really wish I could have gone to school for art.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh my god, this sun is crazy. It got really nice out of nowhere, right? I mean, I brought a jacket because I thought it was going to be freezing. So, where are you from originally?
Illinois.
Oh, wow.
Where are you from?
I live in Jersey.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Sarah.
Sir?
Sarah.
Sir.
Nice to meet you. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna leave you. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. Yeah.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
I think it was awkward. I didn't really like that one. I just didn't know what to say. I feel like I wasn't that present in the conversation. I didn't.
You asked a lot of questions
Right.
as if like you were kind of like interviewing her.
Yeah.
Try to
Yeah.
be playful with people. You know, try to joke with them.
Yo, what's up? How you doing?
I'm good.
Nothing. I'm just chilling. I just saw you playing. You look cool.
Thank you.
You look-
Yeah, I'm just sort of practicing.
You like the experience of playing in front of other people?
I do, but I've sort of grown a little disillusioned with busking.
Okay. Are you like too nervous or something?
A little bit.
I would be nervous too. My skills aren't that good to be playing like outside, you know?
Well, I don't want people to hear me.
Gotcha. I would love to put some music out, but I'm just like, I keep overthinking. I'm like, I'll do it like tomorrow. And then every day it's like, tomorrow. Next month I'll do it.
Yeah.
How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
20.
You're 20? Me too. Yeah. I'm gonna go, but do you think I can get like, you have an Instagram or
Yeah,
something? I'll just write it down, because I don't have Instagram right now. I like to take breaks.
That's a good one.
So what is it? Nice to meet you. Have a good day.
You too.
It was good. He was awesome. He was really cool. I feel like we connected. Yeah. It was fun.
Yeah, it was long. You stayed
I know.
at least 35 minutes.
I know. I was like, "Oh, damn, Ruben, I feel bad.
Fine, that's fine.
I was just very comfortable. Like, I wasn't like nervous or anything. I feel like going up to guys is so much easier than going up to girls, because I told you before, like, I don't know. I think I see that girls are like more intimidating. Hi. How you doing? Good. Good. Just walking around. How's your day going?
Good,
It's okay. You go to NYU?
No, I wish. I'm just here for a week.
Cool. Where are you from?
Chicago.
Oh, nice. I've never been to Chicago. I'm from Jersey.
You had NYU?
No. No way. I'm not a good student. I love your eyelashes. They're so nice. Do you curl them or they're just like that?
No, they're just like
Wow.
I got lucky.
That's great. You got lucky. For sure.
For 2 years.
I was just meeting a friend. Are you gonna do anything for Halloween?
Yeah. All my friends are like, we got these like bright colored tracksuits.
Like just runners.
It's like a bright orange like tracksuit.
Oh, like Vector?
Yeah, exactly
Yes.
like Vector. And I got the Vector glasses.
No way. Are you gonna do your hair like him too?
I don't know what I'll do with my hair. That's a good point.
Maybe gel it down.
Oh, that'd be too good.
Too much.
I think I'm gonna get going.
Yeah.
It was really nice meeting
Nice meeting you.
What was your name?
Sarah.
Sarah. I'll see you around.
All right, cool. Oh, he was cool. I mean, that one was also, I felt a little nervous doing that one too, because he kind of looked a little intimidating. He looked like he didn't want to be bothered,
Oh, I see.
kind of thing. But he ended up being really nice. How's it going? Is it a girl?
It's a boy. You have a dog?
Yeah, that's him. Are you like living around here?
No, I actually live in Jersey City.
Oh, really? I live in Jersey as well.
Do you like it here?
Yeah, it can be a little bit too much sometimes, but yeah, it's cool. I feel like when you're in the city, people don't really care. Like you can really just be who you are, and it's like no one gives a shit. I'm a student. I'm a massage therapist. Well, I'm in school.
Do you have like IG at this point?
I'm sorry?
Do you have IG?
Oh, IG? I don't, because I'm like on a break right now. But I could take yours if you want. Yeah? So when I get Instagram again, I'll add you, okay?
What's your name?
Sarah. Sarah. Really? But thank you. I never get that. Wait, what's your name? Well, nice to meet you. I'm gonna go probably head home. Stay safe. Like actually, be careful. All right, bye. I think it was good. I was kind of surprised when she asked me for Instagram. I felt like it was just weird of me to just go up because I'm projecting. I'm like, if someone did that to me, it's like so random.
Do you have anything to tell people who are watching this video?
I would say like be more open and try not to keep your guard up because it does limit you to new opportunities.
Any last word?
Email Ruben.